Linking your bank account to Walliser Kantonalbank can streamline your banking experience and facilitate transactions. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, ensure you have all necessary information ready. This includes your bank account details, identification documents, and any relevant Walliser Kantonalbank account information. Step 2. Access the Walliser Kantonalbank website. Visit the official Walliser Kantonalbank website. Look for the online banking section or the option to link external accounts. This is typically found in the main menu or under Account Services. Step 3. Log into your account. If you already have an account with Walliser Kantonalbank, log in using your credentials. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one before proceeding with the linking process. Step 4. Navigate to Account Linking section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the prompts to link your bank. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your external bank account details. You may need to verify your identity and confirm the linking process through a secure method such as a code sent to your phone or email. After completing these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Walliser Kantonalbank. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.